Hi everyone, welcome to another drawing session. In this video, we are going to draw and color a lotus flower and a butterfly. So, let's start. Here, I am drawing basic outlines with pencil like this. Not all art, only basic outlines. Let's draw it with marker pen. If you like, you can use pencil. Here, firstly we are drawing the lotus flower like this. Let's draw them slowly. These are the back side of the petal like this. And here we are adding again some petal. Here also. Don't think about small mistakes. Let's draw it slowly and carefully. Don't be quick. In this curve, I am adding small rounds like this as a curve shape like this. And here also, we are adding lot of petal like this. This is so much easy to draw with this basic outline. Here, this line also for show the back side of the petal. And here, this petal is somewhat different. Here also as same as first one like this. And the last petal here. And enjoy the drawing process. Drawing should be relaxing and enjoyable like this. And there may be small mistakes when you drawing and when you coloring. Then don't think about them. Many times we are doing art for relax our mind. Here I am drawing a small and cute lotus bud like this. Somewhat fat. Here another flower art. Somewhat curved lines like this. Don't be quick. Let's draw it together. And after that I am drawing the butterfly. This butterfly also easy to draw and somewhat cute. And we can use so many colors for butterflies like this. The wings here. Enjoy the drawing process. Keep practicing every day, as I think practice is the key to improvement. And every drawing helps you learn anything. So, let's draw every day any art. You should believe your creativity. And also your skills will improve with practice. Here. I hope all people can draw this. These wings are also so much cute. And draw with confidence. Make the shape smooth and add the small details like this. Here. And I color these places like this with marker pen. For all places I am using somewhat black color marker pen. Here also like this. If you like, you can save them as you wish. And here. And I am adding a small art like this. The butterfly eye. And let's erase the pencil lines. Here we finish our lotus flower. Let's color it. I use so many colorful colors and I am using color pencils. If you like, you can use pastel or any other art supply. Firstly, I use yellow color for that round shapes, and after that, let's color the petal. Here, this is the first petal. I am using pink color somewhat with starting in outline. After that, orange color, and again adjust with pink color somewhat. And for this petal also, only in front side of the petal as a deep layer. And for the back side of it, somewhat in outlines, not all over the petal as a deep layer. With this petal, I am adding somewhat pink color and save small spaces. Here I am adding orange color like this. After that, I am adding light green in the back side of the petal as somewhat lines. And again adjust with pink color. Use colors as you wish. Feel free to use your favorite colors. If you like, use purple color or blue color and red color as you wish. But here I am using pink color and orange color. And also light green for the back side somewhat. Here. For the front side, I am using pink color as a deep layer. And for the back side of the petal, I am using pink color only in outline somewhat. For this petal, I add pink color only. And here also, I am adding pink color. Let's color it slowly like this. If you like any other colors, please use two colors for front side and back side. With same color, we can't understand back side and front side well. Here I am somewhat adding light green for the back side. It is so much suitable because with natural lotus we can see somewhat light green in back side. So I am adding light green. After that I add red color in front side of the petal somewhat as a outline like this. Here with this red color, this is so much beautiful like this. Here also, let's color it slowly. You can add as you wish. Don't think so much and don't be quick. Let's color it slowly. The red color I add as a deep layer. For these places, firstly I am using dark green in one side, not all over the place. Here also, as same as in one side dark green. After that, I am adding light green as a deep layer. If you like, you can use one color for these places, but here I am using two colors as color combinations. Like this. As you wish, if you like, you can use dark green or light green. Let's color the lotus bud. This is so much cute and fat one. Firstly, I am using red color. After that, pink color. Finally, we add light green. Like this, with bottom of the lotus flower. Let's color the butterfly. Here for these places, I am using light blue as a deep layer in these places. If you like any other colors, you can use. Feel free to use your favorite colors. Here for these places, firstly I am using red color with outlines as a deep layer in these wings. If you like, you can use purple color or dark blue also suitable. After that, we are adding yellow color all over other places. Like this. These colors are so much beautiful with together. In middle of the butterfly, I am using brown color and after that white color. Like this. And here I am again drawing the outlines with marker pen. These marker pen lines are somewhat big. I want clear outlines, so I am drawing them again. In many times, I am using black color marker pen again after I color the arts. Because I so much love to see clear outlines in my arts. So, like this, I am drawing them again. Here. Look, you can see the petal so much beautiful with this outline. Here. Let's draw it slowly and carefully. And don't think about small mistakes. Art will help you to be relaxed and it's somewhat enjoyable. Like this. We finish lotus flower drawing and let's color somewhat the butterfly. I didn't add so much outlines with butterfly. I use only these lines like this. So we finish our art. This is so much colorful. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.